Days ago, according to those testimony, we earlier finished with the testimony of the Register of Deeds of Secretary. But before we get into what's going on, I wanted to also pursue what Professor Arvelo was saying about 6713 na kailangan i-disclose yung properties ng mga in-laws and other members of your family. I was just interesting kasi ilang taon na ako
Charles. 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 Charles.
Any such disclosure.
Charles. Charles, ma-cute.
Mga kapamilya nila and government. Kung ganun pala, really, in general, something wrong with the way
Secret. Oh. Parang wala na.
In any case, I think we're about to resume, but I have not seen anything that says my properties are like this. Properties are this one.
Kahapon sa gabi yun, la. Lang